So this is what you're making today. And today's art is all about repetition. You're going to repeat things like a pattern. I did the letter U, I did stripes more than once is repetition. You're going to repeat flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. You're going to repeat leaves all over the place, and you're going to repeat a personal symbol. I'll explain that in a little bit. And we're going to draw the tree right now. This is called a kalamkari tree, and you will repeat these curlicues. We are going to continue with our theme of art around the world and look at some art from India. This is a picture of a kalamkari tree, which is a common theme in Indian art. It is about the connection and harmony between all things in the living world. Lots of leaves and flowers and birds. You guys are going to personalize your idea by adding something else about your world and connecting it to these things. So you need a pencil, piece of paper. We're going to draw a tree together. First, we're going to draw an upside down U at the bottom. Wavy line to almost the top, like 3/4 of the way. Then a trunk gets thinner as it gets higher, right? So we're going to have it start to get thinner. And we see that these trees are all about these curly kind of vine-like branches. So I'm going to do a Y with 2 curlicues like this at the top. And that's like my letter Y and a curlicue, letter Y and a curlicue. And then we're going to fill up the rest of the space with more curlicues. You could do some curlicues that come off of other curlicues. And just have fun with it, wiggle around. They don't have to look just like mine. We just want lots of wavy lines, curlicues. Let's make some branches a little thicker. And now it is time to make this all yours. So you are going to fill this up. So you are going to repeat a pattern somewhere. So I did a letter U pattern. Flowers, you know how to draw flowers. Leaves, you know how to draw leaves. Birds, I'm going to show you a couple worksheets now. This is a peacock. You can pause your screen if you would like to draw this. Pause your screen if you'd like to draw this. The birds are optional. And a personal symbol. What is Mrs. Lawrence's personal symbol? It's a chocolate chip cookie. Maybe you have a sports team. Maybe you have a YouTube symbol. Anything that you would want repeating around here and in harmony with everything else. So first, let's draw flowers everywhere. You could be brainstorming about what your idea will be. Draw some leaves everywhere. Okay, and now I want you guys to talk to each other about a personal idea, like how I am going to add chocolate chip cookies all over the tree. Ask the person next to you, what is your personal idea? Add your personal idea. If you want to add some birds, the birds are optional. The peacock is an important bird in Indian art. The last thing I'd like you to add is some pattern. So how there are these U patterns around. There is a striped pattern on the trunk. I'm going to add some stripes on the tree. And I'm going to add some U shapes at the bottom. Okay, and then you are going to color this. So focus on staying in the lines and using lots of rich color. You can see that I am traveling and doing all my brown, then all my green, then all my yellow, then all my pink. And that is a way to save time when you're coloring. Okay, guys, this is my Kalamkari tree. Hopefully you can travel around the room and look at each other's and check out what personal symbols that you added. Have a great day.